Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do something a little bit different. As you can see, different location, but we're going to talk about my 80 watt JPT fiber laser from HaoTian laser or machinery company. So this is going to be a quick 5-minute review. I'm going to give you, this is your little brief overview. We're going to go into kind of a product description and features. We'll do a little bit of demonstration, then I'll talk about pros and cons, and we'll do a final rating at the end. So let's get into it. So here we have the laser itself. This is a pretty typical setup. This is a split laser. So we have the galvo here, we have our light path, I have a 500 millimeter tower with a motorized Z-axis, an XY table down here, and then the power unit, the laser source and power unit are down here along the front. And then you've also got some controls in the back. So let's talk about some of the features. I paid, again, utilizing my own money. This is not a sponsored review. I paid about just a little over probably $6,500. That was the quote. And then there was some additional charges just with fees and stuff. But I did have this air shipped. It took about 10 days to get to my house. So with this price, you get the rotary, you get an extra lens, which you can choose from. You get your safety glasses, your software, and a bunch of other little bits and pieces that you need to run the machine. The working area is up to 300 millimeters. This does have an 80 watt JPT MOPA M7 source, and that is a YDFLP-80-M7-M-R source. So this is a MOPA. The frequency goes all the way up to 4,000 kilohertz. You're going to get all the drivers that you need. It is Lightburn compatible. Max marking speed of 5,000 millimeters per second. And it's got a BJJCZ controller. I did order a couple extra items like this XY table here. I got one extra lens, and then I got the motorized Z table. So with that, we have up-down controls right here. You can also hand crank it. Here are the glasses that I got with this laser. And as we come around back here, down in the bottom of my my little cart, I've got the rotary, which I haven't used yet. And then you've got all of your cords and settings back here to hook up your rotary, to hook up the motorized Z-axis, and then there's this little switch right here that turns on and off the motorized Z-axis, and we'll talk about that in the final part. Then you can see that this is a relatively new laser. It was just built in November of 2024. Now let's move into the demo portion, and I'll put up some video here of engraving of the coins. I'd say the coins are probably my favorite thing that I've done so far. So you can use the 3D slice feature in Lightburn to do basically a 2.5 dimension engraving. So these coins do have depth to them. A lot of fun. It'll deep engrave metals. These are solid brass coins. You can also do color on stainless steel. I know it's a little hard to see, especially on something that reflective there, but these dog tags, you can do aluminum. You can put a nice white mark on aluminum with extremely great detail. And again, on the stainless steel here, this is a bottle opener, and there you can see the colors that you can get with this MOPA laser. So just incredible. There's all sorts of things. The sky is the limit on what you can engrave with this machine. All right, let's talk about pros and cons now. So some of the pros, this is a really well-built machine. They have great quality. I mean, they put their name right on the unit. You've got a WhatsApp phone number there that you can contact them. You can go to their website, and I will tell you that Pascal and his team are great I contacted him originally on Facebook, and he walked me through the entire buying process. They set up everything. If you buy 3 lenses like I did, then they go ahead and they give you calibration marks so that you know where to focus them. They actually include this metal ruler. The white and black one focus sticks I 3D printed and are adjustable, but they give you this long metal ruler here for your focus. So it basically includes everything you need. Now you do see here I've got a air exhaust nozzle that I also 3D printed. That is not included. Air exhaust is, you're pretty much on your own because everybody's going to have a different situation. Again, great service. They're going to take care of you both before and after the sale. The shipping is really fast. It took, like I said, about 10 days from the time that I ordered it until it was at my front door, and it does include a 3-year warranty. Now, the only con that I have with this machine has to do with the motorized Z-axis. So you've got your controls here, and right here you have the Canon plug that runs up to this stepper motor. And it is possible to hit this plug if you're not paying attention as you raise up to the top. And when I was building it, I actually had the light path above this, and I was lowering it and hit on this, and it kind of bent this a little bit, but it was still fine, no major damage. And then the other thing associated with that, as I mentioned earlier on, you've got the on and off switch for the motorized Z-axis is on the back here. So you do kind of have to reach around to turn that on or off. I think it would be great if they would put that on the front of the machine. I mean, obviously they have a custom made front here, but if they were to just, you know, put a cutout for that and then to have that little button here on the front, it would make it so much easier. So that is my only con. So final rating, this is definitely a 4.5 directed tech gears. If I gave out more than half gears, this would probably be a 4.8 or 4.9. Super happy with this, very glad that I made this purchase. And like I said, if you are in the market for a quality fiber laser that you're gonna get terrific support for, then contact Pascal. You saw the website there. You can go on Facebook, and his team, both of himself and Bella Wang, will take great care of you. So I cannot highly recommend this product enough. As always, if you appreciate what I'm doing here on the channel, please take a moment to hit that little thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can see when I drop more content. You're going to be seeing a lot more of the fiber laser. I've been mentioning that for a while. I'm about to do another video here on the cart, and I'm also going to do one on the air extraction system that I'm putting together for this. So plenty more to come. So let's just keep on learning, burning, and growing together. Take care, everyone.